Hi, I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Toes, heels touch, standing nice and tall. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, bring all way up. Hands heart center, Samasthiti here. We're gonna repeat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hinge on your hips. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, arms all the way up, hands heart to center, Samasthiti. Inhale. Exhale, forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Hands down. Connect with your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, half. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up. Exhale, hands down. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, plant your hands this time, step back. To Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog. And feel it. Pedal your feet. One knee bent, other stretched. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now plant heels down. 10 toes wide open, plant down. 10 fingers spread wide and mid finger pointing straight. And try to use the whole palms. Okay, sending your tailbone toward your heels. Gaze drishti between your heels. Okay, bring your chest close to your thighs and tailbone high up toward the sky. You're gonna stay about 5 deep breaths. And 2, 3. Try to feel the stretch on the back of your legs and also lower back. 4 and 5. And now bring your knee down and palm heel underneath your shoulders. From tabletop pose, we're gonna do cat and cow pose. Tuck your toes. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, roll your back. Inhale, it's called cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Inhale, arch your back, look up, tailbone up. Exhale, tuck your chin, tuck your tailbones. Inhale, stretch your spine. Exhale, roll your back. Try to really move your spine, articulate the spine. One more big inhale. Exhale, roll back to neutral center. Very good. Now from here, right leg forward. Okay, lower lunge pose. So now,
Lift up back knee. Hands on your knee. And inhale. So try to keep hip square there. 5 deep breath. Inhale, exhale for 2, 3, 4, and 5. And from here, this time open your hips to the side, back heel down. Front knee, keep it 90-degree angle. Inhale, open your arms. Arms about your shoulder level. And gaze drishti forward. It's called Virabhadrasana B, Warrior 2. 5 breaths. 1. Soften your shoulder. 2 shoulder blades together. 3 outer edge of your back foot pressing down. 4 and 5. Now, hands down. Let's switch your legs. Hands on your knee, square hips, back heel up. Lunge. 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Press back heel against invisible wall. Very strong stance. 4. Shoulder blades together, chest open. And 5. Now, back heel down. Open your hips to the side. Front knee, keep it 90-degree angle. And knee pointing to the pinky side. Arms up. One line. Check your arms. Align with your shoulders. 1. Shoulder blades together. 2. And tailbone vertical to the floor. 3. Crown reaching toward the sky. 4 and 5. So now, pedal your hands, step back. Okay, from here, open your knee about the mat distance, toes touching, and sending your tailbone to the heel, sitting down, and extend your fingers and reach your arms forward. The inhale, exhale, forehead rest on the mat. Take child pose, Balasana. You can stay here as long as you want. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!